When it comes to securing family wealth across generations, a gold IRA can be one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. If you're a retiree looking to protect not only your own savings, but also create a legacy for future generations, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to use gold IRAs for multi-generational wealth, why they're such an essential tool, and how you can start securing your family's financial future today. Gold has stood the test of time as a safe haven asset, and when you use it within an IRA, you're not only protecting your wealth from inflation, market volatility, and economic downturns, you're ensuring that your wealth stays protected across generations. But how do you leverage this asset in a way that works for your family's long-term strategy? Now, before we dive in, I want to share something valuable with you. If you're serious about securing your wealth and protecting your family's financial future in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description. You'll get a free guide on why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth. You don't want to miss this. It could make all the difference for you and your family. Gold IRAs, unlike traditional IRAs that hold stocks and bonds, give you the opportunity to hold physical gold and other precious metals. This can be especially important if you're looking to pass on wealth without worrying about the unpredictable swings of the stock market. Gold's value doesn't correlate with the stock market, so it provides stability for your heirs, even in times of economic uncertainty. For multi-generational wealth, it's crucial to think long-term, and that's where gold IRAs come into play. When you're planning for your children, grandchildren, or even great-grandchildren, you want to make sure that your wealth is shielded from taxes, inflation, and the unpredictable nature of the stock market. A gold IRA allows you to do that while also preserving the wealth you've worked so hard to accumulate. In fact, the tax advantages are key here. Gold IRAs offer you tax-deferred growth, which means you won't have to pay taxes on any gains until you start withdrawing the funds. And when you pass that wealth onto your heirs, they'll benefit from these same tax advantages. In short, a gold IRA isn't just a way to protect your wealth. It's a way to ensure that your wealth grows for future generations without the massive tax burdens that can eat away at your inheritance. But what about other wealth protection strategies? Sure, you might consider traditional investments like stocks or bonds, but they can be subject to massive market fluctuations. You might also be tempted by real estate investments, but even those can be affected by market cycles and property taxes. Gold, on the other hand, has historically held its value and performed well over the long run. It's a hedge against uncertainty, and when it's inside an IRA, it becomes a strategic way to protect your wealth while avoiding taxes. If you're starting to realize just how powerful gold IRAs can be for securing your family's wealth, it's important to act now. The sooner you set up a gold IRA, the more time you'll have to grow that wealth for future generations. But don't worry, it's never too late to start. Whether you've just begun thinking about your retirement or you're already managing a sizable nest egg, gold IRAs are an accessible and effective way to preserve and grow your wealth. I want to emphasize this again. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the link in the description below for your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans have already made the decision to diversify into gold, and it could be the right move for you too. Before we wrap up, let me mention that gold IRAs are perfect for retirees with at least 100Ks in their IRA or 401k, or even families with 5 million plus in savings. If you're in that group, you don't want to let this opportunity slip by. Gold IRAs will give you peace of mind knowing that you've set up a stable, secure financial foundation for your children and grandchildren. So, take action today, protect your wealth, and build a legacy for the generations to come. Don't forget to check out the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and start your journey toward multi-generational wealth with gold today.